Weather from where you live.
Well, still a little bit of very light, patchy drizzle, freezing drizzle, or a little bit of grainy light snow in places here and there this evening and into early tonight. A slick spot or two possible as some pavement may be dampened in places. And then we'll see a gradual clearing trend. And really not bad. The system for Friday staying south of us, so sunshine developing tomorrow, Friday, Saturday into Sunday. It's going to be mild over the weekend, then rain early next week before it's a stair step downward into colder weather. Notice the echoes on radar today. Little spits and patches of drizzle and snow around. A few places may have had a very light bit of powdered sugar, if you will. Looks like powdered sugar is shaking on your car, your rooftop with a little snow. Last night, this morning, and this afternoon. But the back edge of the cloudiness is still near the Mississippi River, and there's still a lot of high mid-level cloudiness streaming out of the southwest. So it's going to be gradual, but the clearing trend will get going. But here's that cold core storm. You know, it's going to get down to 25 degrees tonight in Tucson, Arizona. We've got freezing rain deep into South Texas at Sonora, San Antonio. It's raining 41 right now. All the rain and even some snow and ice will stay south of our area as the jet is split. Upper jet is way up here. Some tropical jet is down here. So a lot of the cold is kind of wrapped up south of us, and the milder air is streaming in off the Pacific. So in some places, some cases, it's warmer north than it is deep in the southern U.S. That's going to flip. That's going to change in a pretty big way. Lows tonight in the 20s area-wide. 23 Lafayette, 27 at Kokomo. And with some sunshine tomorrow, we're headed for 39, though you may notice some high, thin clouds kind of streaming in from the south and southeast from that southern storm. So not so bad. Wind out of the southwest around 10 to 15, with highs generally about 36 to 40 degrees, including a 38 at Flora and a 39 at Monticello. Friday, some increasing high mid-level clouds from the southern system. Not a lot of wind and a high of 44 after 25 in the morning. Not so bad. Highs 43 to about 47 area-wide. Now here's precision cast. A couple patches of very light precipitation this evening, early tonight. Then a clearing trend. And then some clouds increase a little bit from that storm coming up, especially on Friday. And then the weekend, check that out. It looks just fine. But the pattern will begin to change. First, notice the big trough in the west. Very stormy and cold out here. We are nice and mild. This is the weekend outlook, but notice what happens over time. After our rain early in the week, we start to get ridging in the west, and the cold begins to drop down. And we're going to get into a pattern of colder weather. Notice all the winds from the north and these little clipper systems dropping southward. So the potential of colder weather and getting some snow increasing once we get closer to mid-January and beyond that point. But that's a March forecast. Normal high is 34. 49 Saturday, 51 Sunday, nice weekend, 52 but rainy on Monday, 45 then falling temperature-wise on Tuesday, then turning colder on Wednesday. So where's all the cold right now? You know, it's in California and Arizona and Utah and areas off to the west right now.
Those pictures you were showing earlier of the snow, it's crazy.
Yeah, snowing in Tucson and snowing near El Paso too.